How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of problem where the cursor keeps going off screen on Roblox, then here's how you can fix it. Firstly, on your screen, right click. After that, from this panel, select Display Settings. In Display Settings, you will see this section called Scale and Layout. Under Scale and Layout, you will see different kind of options. Make sure that scale and display resolution are set to recommended amount. Also adjust scaling to 100% or above to prevent cursor misalignment. After this, go back to your desktop, open Files on your device. In the file interface, at the top you should see the three-dot icon. Click on the three-dot icon and select Options. After that, a small menu like this will open. If you see an option called Reset All Settings, tap on it to reset your settings. If none of these options are working, then try reinstalling the Roblox app. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.